Here is a photo of my house, which is in a village in England. I love my village because it is very small, there aren't a lot of people, and it is very quiet. As you can see in the photo, my house is small, but it is beautiful. It has white walls, brown windows and doors, and a green roof. I love nature, so there are a lot of plants like flowers, trees, and bushes in my garden. My house has 2 bedrooms. I sleep in the biggest bedroom. It has a big bed, some pictures hanging on the wall, and a plant next to the window. There are 2 small bedside tables next to my bed to put my phone or my book on. My wardrobe is next to my bed. I don't have a lot of clothes in my wardrobe. I love my bedroom because it is very simple. I don't like to have a lot of objects or pieces of furniture in my bedroom because it is the room where I relax and sleep. My house has 1 bathroom. It is a very simple bathroom. It has 1 toilet, a sink with a tap to wash your hands, and a shower. I have a shower, not a bath, because I like to have a shower quickly. I don't like having a bath. The walls in the bathroom are brown and white. The brown walls look like bricks. On the wall there are some pictures for decoration, a toilet roll holder, and a black mirror. My house has a big kitchen. The kitchen is my favorite part of the house because I love cooking. My kitchen is beautiful and modern. It has dark blue cupboards where I put all my food and kitchen accessories. It also has white worktops where I can prepare my food. I also have 3 stools in my kitchen for when I have my breakfast. There are lots of shelves on the wall. They are brown and they have decorations and photo frames on them. I have a dishwasher to wash my dishes and a washing machine to wash my clothes, and a fridge and freezer to keep my food cold. My dining room is near the kitchen. It has 8 chairs, 1 big table, a few pictures on the wall, and a pot in the corner. The walls in this room are blue and white. The curtains are white too. I only use my dining room to have dinner and when my family or friends visit me. I don't spend a lot of time in my dining room. I don't use my dining room when I have my breakfast or my lunch because this room is very formal. I prefer spending time in my living room or my kitchen because it is more comfortable. When do you use your dining room? My living room is quite small, but it is very cozy. I love this room because it has a sofa, 2 armchairs, a little coffee table, a lamp, and other pieces of furniture. There is a painting on one of the walls, cushions on the sofa, and a plant on the coffee table for decoration. There is also a big rug on the floor. The house's front door is in this room. I spend my evenings in my living room because my TV and my computer are also in this room. When I come home from work, I like to relax on my sofa, watching TV or looking out the window. It is a very relaxing room and I love it. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next one.